by bringing the sticks down and inboard, and then hitting the automatic takeoff button, and going a little bit higher, because I got a little bit of a breeze here and that's affecting the barometer control, and going to a higher rate too. And let's go up high and go upwind too at the same time. And going down the field right about there, a little bit higher. Again, I got a wind today, and we'll let the wind blow it back around the area. And I want to turn around this way because I am going to hit those lights. I don't want to hit the lights, folks, so we'll go up a little bit higher with its altitude hold control right about there, and then we'll rotate. Wow, that's a fast wind up there, folks. Coming back down. There's quite a bit of wind up high. So now let's bring it down close so you can see it. So this is it up. This is it viewing me on the camera. Let's go up a little bit higher because I know that the camera's pointed downward, remember? And you can use it as a selfie drone. Now this can also be controlled via its app, if you want to use its app for selfies. But you can also do selfies with the sticks too, for very precise control. So let's go overhead here. We got a higher rate? Yes, we do. Now I want to go over this way here and press that one key return, which is, well, it's coming back anyways because of the wind. Wind happens to be off in that direction there. Let's go upwind again. And pressing one key return. And it comes back super fast now with one key return. So let's try the headless mode. Pressing forward. That seems to be its headless mode. Understanding headless mode. Pressing to the left. Also, I'm going to keep the quadcopter pointed toward me throughout the headless mode flight. That's the big idea of headless mode, folks, is you can use it to keep the quadcopter pointed toward you, such as for panning purposes. And coming out of headless mode by pressing that button there. So, okay, let's bring it in close. Closer. And try a flip. That's its flips. Let's try that again, going upwind. So again, this is the headless or altitude hold version of this quadcopter.